So this is the first time we're gonna put her in water.
Ever.
Let's see how she does.
Oh my god, Bunch. How you feeling, Bunch?
You okay? Here we go, Bunch, slowly. So before I start this video, I want to clarify that it's been like 3 months since we filmed her first bath.
We took her a bath like days after we got her.
Yeah.
And
she was much smaller then. I mean, now she's pretty big.
It wasn't her first bath ever, but it was her first bath with us.
Look at her now. Now it's like 3 months fast forward. She's a lot longer.
She looks like a hot dog.
She's a giant hot dog. So this is Bun's first bath, her first reaction to water with us. Let's see how she does.
Buns is taking a bath for the first time ever with us.
I found it.
How warm is this water?
It's pretty warm.
Oh, it's perfect. Come in, shy baby.
Come on, Bud.
You ready to take a shower?
You ready for bath time? So this is the first time we're gonna put her in water.
Ever.
Let's see how she does.
Oh my god, Bunch. How you feeling, Bunch?
You okay? Here we go, Bud. Slowly.
Slowly, Bunny, you're good, Bunch.
Oh, you're good.
Wow! How's the water, Bunch?
You like it, Bud?
Oh my god.
It's good, huh?
What's happening? It's okay, Bunch. If you have to pee, go ahead.
Let it all out, Bud.
It's so weird, huh?
You think she likes it?
Yeah, she likes it.
Bud.
Okay, baby.
Well, she's drinking it. That's good.
What's happening, Bud?
Oh, Bud, are you okay? Slip.
Okay, baby.
Her little
Get
slip.
in there. Feels good, right, Bud?
So we bought this, both the shampoo and conditioner.
Yeah, we got the Burt's Bees. I hope this is focusing. Did we get anything to scrub? No.
No, we didn't.
It's okay, we could do it.
There you go, Bud.
Feels good, huh, Bud? I know, Bunch, I know, baby.
Bud.
It's okay, baby.
Hey, Buds. Hey, Buds.
It's okay.
It's okay, Buds. You don't have to be scared, Buds. You like water.
It's just us, Buds. It's just us. We'll feel good after. I promise, okay? Come on, Buds.
Her little head's gonna be hard, huh? She removed.
Yeah. You put on your little legs. Your arms, okay. Here, baby, it's okay, man. It's okay. Oh, she's good.
Bun is a thick one.
Sorry, Buzz, we're almost done, baby. It's okay, baby. Come here, one more time. We're almost done. Okay, Bunny, it's okay, Buzz. We're almost done. Oh, Buzz, oh no. Buzz, I just want to be done with this. Bunny, it's okay, Buzz.
Okay, Bun.
We have to try. We're almost done, baby.
Come over here, Bun.
I promise you it's gonna be over fast. Just have to stay in one spot. It's so soft.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, okay, Bun.
Buns, we're gonna get a towel. Get a towel.
Hold on, Buns. Buns.
Buns, it's okay, baby. Look.
Hold on, Buns.
Here.
You're almost done.
Buns, you did amazing, baby.
Put it right here.
It only took like 5 minutes, Buns.
Let her leak a little bit. Oh, yeah.
Oh, Buns, she's so scared.
Hold on, Buns.
We just have to dry you out, baby. It's okay. She's probably like, what in the hell just happened?
Good. First bath. You did amazing. You're doing amazing, sweetie.
Good job, Buns. Nice and clean, Buns.
Wow, Buns. You dried it down.
That shampoo smells so good.
What is it? What's that in it?
Shampoo and conditioner, Burt's Bees. It's sage and lemongrass. It smells amazing. Buns, you smell like a whole new dog, baby.
Hold on, Buns.
Oh, Buns. We're gonna dry you right now with the hair dryer. Buns, you did so good, baby.
Hey, oh my god, bud. She's happy she's clean.
Come on, Buns. Did you like the shower? Do you like the shower? Oh my god, Buns is like so excited
She
right
loved
now.
it, huh?
I think she feels better. I don't know.
She feels fresh.
Do you like water, baby? Buns, I think you actually loved it, huh? I think she actually really liked it. What if she actually loves water? Baby, come here. Hey, she's peeing, she's peeing. No. Buns, you know where you're supposed to go. You know where you're supposed to go, Buns.
You know, Buns.
Not on the rug. Buns. 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 What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? I think she's trying to dry herself.
Probably.
Hi, Buns. Buns. So I guess you liked your bath, Buns? You liked your bath, Buns? She dry already from all that rain?
No. She's still very wet.
Really?
Yeah.
Are we wet? Oh, you are wet still, baby.
Are we gonna put Buns up here? And just count
They
it.
are.
Buns?
It's okay, Buns.
Okay. Oh! That's it. Maybe lower? Okay, it's too high. Are you scared? No, it's good. No. Okay, Ben. Try being a brush? That's good. Okay, Buns. It's okay.
How'd you know how good you did, Buns? You're still a little wet from your leg, but look how good she did. She also looks like a little fluffier, even if she's not fully dry.
Right?
Buns, you did so good, baby. Now you need to go get brushed though, because look, there's a lot of hair falling off.
Oh yeah, we should get,
Let's go brush your hair.
let's get the brush, Buns.
She did so good though.
Yeah.
She didn't cry as much as I thought she would.
She won't.
But you look so cool, baby. Look at you. Look at you, baby.
Time
Her
to brush
paws are a little
Buns.
wet. I know, Buns, I know. Brush you real quick, Buns.
Hey, Buns. You like your bath? Was it a good bath, Buns?
Good bad, huh, Buns?
She looks fluffy, huh? And clean. Her little paws.
I know, baby, I know. I know. Look at your little tummy.
Okay, Buns. Hey, Buns.
I know, baby. That's okay. Still got a lot of hair.
Buns.
Buns,
Nice
look
and
at
clean
your
now.
bubble baby.
And dry.
Bubble baby.
Nice and fresh, Buns.
Buns, baby, you look so cute. Nice and groomed.
Buns. So that was it. That was Bun's reaction to her first
Buns,
bath
come
with
here,
that.
baby. Buns loves baths, actually.
She enjoyed it so much.
She has, oh my god, so when she gets out of the bath, like she actually runs around everywhere.
Yeah, she does.
Look how big she is right now.
I mean, now it's pretty much to a point where like she loves to be air dried. She loves to blow dryer. She doesn't mind it.
She likes to blow dryer.
Yeah, she doesn't mind it at all.
She's not the dog that like minds at all taking a bath.
No.
She likes it. I feel like she gets excited.
Yeah, like every time after a bath, she starts running around, getting dry by herself. She loves baths.
You know how a lot of dogs will be like jumping out the bath, that she's just kind of there.
Yeah.
And then when we take her out, maybe she's excited that she's done.
Yeah.
And she'll run around like crazy. Like I think she likes baths. I think she likes like the wind in her hair.
Yeah, she does.
Like it's like fresh. After Raul blow dries her, like she likes running around. Like I think she's like still a little damp.
Yeah.
But she's dry. So she's not uncomfortable, but it's like the breeze in her.
Like it feels fresh for her, I guess. There she is, thriving 3 months later with her toy. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below which other type of videos you want to see with Buns, if you want to see Buns more. But yeah, guys, until next time, bye.